Ray Minkowski, standing in my very own kitchen. We're gonna make a recipe right out of healthy, simple, and tasty recipes for living well. Right off page 98. This is one that you can put together in the morning. You can put together the night before bed. Put in a gallon freezer bag, take it out, drop it into your slow cooker, crock pot, or even your Instapot. It will cook while you're at work. It will cook while you're asleep. On the weekend, it will cook while you're running errands with your kids. Again, crazy easy. Page 98, healthy, simple, tasty. So what do we have? We've got sweet Italian sausage. We've got sweet peppers, a little bit of onion, and some red sauce. So 1 ingredient, 2 ingredient, 3 ingredient, 4 ingredients. If you count the different color peppers, we can maybe go 5 or 6, but nonetheless, easy, simple. Yes, I chopped this before we started filming. You can top this with Parmesan cheese later, some fresh Asiago, grated, whatever you prefer, mozzarella, make it your own. Really easy to tailor this to if it fits your macros, flexible dieting, eat by color, keto, whatever fits your fancy in terms of nutrition. Super easy to modify the macros, the calories, the fat, the carbs. You can make it low carb, no carb. You can make it high fat, high protein. Again, this is page 98. Right out of healthy, simple, and tasty recipes for living well. Absolutely no reason to eat boring food. No reason to get tired of your meals. 150 plus recipes right out of the book. Ours is going to be ready. Cook while we work. Tonight at dinner time. Thanks for checking it out.